Quartz staining. Quartz countertops are popular for their durability, aesthetics, and low maintenance requirements. While quartz is generally stain resistant, it is not completely stain proof. Understanding what causes stains, how to prevent them, and how to clean stains effectively can help you maintain quartz surfaces for years to come. 1. Can quartz stain? Yes, quartz can stain, especially when exposed to certain substances for prolonged periods. Quartz countertops are engineered from natural quartz crystals and resin binders, and while the quartz itself is non-porous, the resins and pigments can be vulnerable to discoloration. 2. Why does quartz stain? Quartz stains primarily due to the following factors. Resin composition. The resin used to bind quartz can react with harsh chemicals or become discolored over time. Prolonged contact. Stains occur when spills sit on the surface for too long. Heat damage. Excessive heat can weaken the resin, making it more susceptible to stains. Chemical exposure. Strong cleaners or chemicals can break down the protective coating. 3. Common substance that stain quartz. Certain substances are more likely to stain quartz surfaces, including coffee and tea. Tannins can cause brownish stains if not wiped up quickly. Wine. The pigments in red wine are notorious for staining lighter quartz surfaces. Turmeric can leave a yellow stain, especially on white quartz. Tomato sauce. Acidic and pigmented, leaving behind discoloration. Permanent markers and ink, difficult to remove once dried. Oils and grease. Cooking oils left uncleaned can cause discoloration. Rust. Metal objects left on quartz can transfer rust stains. 4. How to remove stains from quartz. Immediate action is the best defense against stains. Here's how to tackle common stains. Mild stains. Use a soft cloth with warm water and mild dish soap. Wipe gently in a circular motion. Stubborn stains. Apply a baking soda paste. Baking soda mixed with water. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently. Ink or marker stains. Use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol 70% on a cotton pad. Oil-based stains. A degreaser designed for stone surfaces can break down oils without harming the resin. Rust stains. Use a non-abrasive cleaner with oxalic acid, e.g., barkeeper's friend. 5th, stain prevention tips. Wipe spills immediately, especially from acidic or strongly pigmented substances. Use cutting boards and trivets to protect surfaces from spills, scratches, and heat. Avoid harsh cleaners. Stay away from bleach, ammonia, and acidic cleaners. Regular cleaning. Clean countertops daily with a pH-neutral cleaner. 6. Can heat cause quartz to stain? Yes. Quartz is heat resistant but not heat proof. Exposing quartz to heat above 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius, can weaken the resin, making it more prone to staining. Always use trivets or hot pads under hot cookware. 7. Does sunlight affect quartz? Prolonged exposure to UV rays can discolor quartz countertops, especially in outdoor kitchens. Lighter quartz surfaces may turn yellow over time if installed in areas with direct sunlight. 8. Professional solutions for stubborn stains. If stains persist after multiple cleaning attempts, consult a stone care professional. They have access to stronger, quartz-safe solutions that won't damage the surface. 9. Quartz versus other materials in terms of staining. Quartz, highly stain-resistant but susceptible to chemical and heat-related discoloration. Granite, more porous and less sealed. Stains easily without maintenance. Marble, stains easily, especially from acidic substances like wine and lemon juice. Porcelain, extremely stain-resistant, even more so than quartz. Quartz countertops offer excellent stain resistance, but improper care and prolonged exposure to certain substances can cause discoloration. Prompt cleanup, gentle cleaners, and protective measures can help keep your quartz surfaces looking pristine for years to come.